Hi everyone, meet the Gillion shower chair, designed for comfort and safety with a 350-pound capacity and sturdy anodized aluminum frame. This shower stool features anti-skid suction cups and rubber legs to prevent slipping and provide maximum stability. It adjusts easily from 14.5 to 19.5 inches in height using simple push buttons, perfect for seniors or anyone needing extra support. Assembly is quick and tool-free, taking just 2 minutes to set up without any hassle. The waterproof seat includes a soft, padded surface with drainage holes for comfort and hygiene. Plus, it comes with a free silicone body scrubber that exfoliates and massages your skin for a luxurious self-care experience. This shower chair offers safety, convenience, and relaxation all in one perfect bathroom companion. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.